Good afternoon. My name is John Jairo, experiencia in vacation. That's within that forum. Travel experiences, Buenaventura. Island Mount is in Buenaventura. With my family, we had a great time. We rode the beach boat and we took a snack. We bathed a lot in there. Taking advantage of the fact that the watch were a little long. The virus was the day of the month we went out to target sometics in Buenaventura with the family index we went to the hotel. The was large and un mountain it develops spend what wage 100,000 the person. Value that got direct the field of the world. The place the most great beat that they visit and take work. Show recommendation. It is a goat either doubled blocked each recommendation doubled on the set it a visible note the goat out at needs a goat either do that fix it. It's important that dance yourself and the other of it is necessary do that avoid the busy bricks market in the preferred to travel be taxi in the century a goat either talks snacks in the set. What is the done? What not to do? What should people in the flights visited that vacation? People should go to Pianguitas in Buenaventura before returning on vacation. What should people do in the flights visited last vacation? People should not to go to Buenaventura Gallery because of the child insecurity. Thank you.